Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you some problems from trigonometric ratios of associated angles. I choose this problem from HSC books suggested by National Curriculum of Bangladesh. Here, our first problem is we are given a triangle and also three angles alpha, beta, and gamma. First problem we have to show that sec 5x by 2 is equal to 2 by root over 2 plus cos 10x. Okay, then from the stem we have to show that AC sin b by 2 plus c is equal to AB plus BC times sin b by 2. From the stem we also have to show that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma. Okay, so now this is our first problem. Let's start to solve this. uh, uh, from first problem, here the right hand side is this. Okay, this expression we will prove it from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so right hand side is 2 by root over 2 plus 2 cos 10x. Okay, now we can write this 2 by root over 2 plus root root over 2. We take common 2 from this expression on two sides of this plus sign. So then we get 2 times bracket 1 plus cos 2 times 5x. Okay, then we can write 1 plus we can write 2 cos square 5x instead of 1 plus cos 2 times 5x, which we follows from this formula 1 plus cos twice theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, here 1 plus cos twice theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. We apply this formula, then we get this 2 by root over 2 plus root over 2 times 2 cos square 5x. Then we get 2 by root over 2 plus 2 cos 5x. Okay, here then next line right hand side is 2 by root over 2 times 2 cos square 5x by 2, 2 by 2 cos 5x by 2, and here is our required left hand side sec 5x by 2, and we proved. Okay, here now in second part of our problem we have to from the stem we have to show that AC sin b by 2 plus c is equal to AB plus BC sin b by 2. Okay, so now we are trying to show this. So here if we consider a triangle like this A, B and C, so BC is A, CA is B, AB is C. Okay, and A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So from right hand side AB plus BC times sin B by 2, here we substitute AB plus BC by C plus A and times sin B by 2. We can substitute C by 2 or sin C plus sin A. We can here we take common 2r from two expressions. Then we get sin C plus sin A and times sin B by 2. 2r times bracket sin C plus sin 180 degree minus B plus C times sin B by 2. Then 2r times sin C plus sin B plus C times sin B by 2. 2r times 2 sin B plus C by 2 cos B plus C minus C by 2 times sin B by 2. 2r then we get 2r times sin B plus 2C by 2 times 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. Okay, then we get this line 2 over sine b times sine b by 2 plus c. We get b instead of 2 over sine b and sine b by 2 plus c. Okay, so ac sine b by 2 plus c. Then we get ac sine b by 2 plus c is equal to ab plus bc sine b by 2. Okay, now in the third part, first we take revise of our question. Here our question was ABC, and here this angle is alpha, this beta and gamma. We have to show that from the stem cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta and cos gamma. Okay, so here we are going to show this in the stem. Now we are going to prove this. Here we can write gamma is equal to alpha plus beta, because this is a extension of BC, and we external angle is sum of the opposite two angles in the triangle. Okay, so now gamma is equal to alpha plus beta, then we can write gamma is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. So we can apply cos on both sides, cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos gamma. Then we can write this cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta is equal to cos gamma. Okay, then we get cos alpha cos beta is equal minus cos gamma is equal to sin alpha sin beta. Then we square on both sides, cos alpha cos beta minus cos gamma square is equal to sin alpha sin beta square. Then a square minus 2ab plus b square, and then this 1 minus cos square a times 1 minus cos square alpha times 1 minus cos square beta. Then we can write cos square alpha cos square beta minus 2 cos alpha cos beta cos gamma plus cos square gamma, and when we multiply these two expression, then we get 1 minus cos square alpha minus cos square beta plus cos square alpha times cos square beta. Then we can write cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus times cos gamma. Okay, has proved. Okay, now we are going for another problem to show you. Here this is our next problem. His ABC is a triangle where opposite of A angle is side A, opposite of B angle side B, and opposite of C angle side C. First problem is this: we have to show root 3 by 2 from this expression, and then if A is equal to root over B square plus BC plus C square, then we have to find the sum of the two acute angles of the triangle. Then we have to prove that A minus B by C cosec A minus B by 2 is equal to sec C by 2 for the triangle. Okay, now left hand side, sine 78 degree 19 minutes cos 18 degree 19 minutes minus sine 1 degree 41 minutes sine 80 degree 19 minutes. Then we can convert this into 90 degree minus 11 degree 41 minute. Then it remains same, cos 18 degree 90 minute, and this expression also remains same. Then we can we get cos we get a formula like cos A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we can now write cos A plus B. Okay, then we get cos 30 degree, which is root 3 by 2, and this is right hand side. Okay, now our second problem is if A is equal to root over B square plus BC plus C square, then we have to find the sum of the two acute angles of the triangle. Okay, here given that A is equal to root over B square plus BC plus C square, we square on both sides, then we get B square plus C square minus A square is equal to minus BC. Then we divide both sides by 2BC. then we can write cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. Then we get cos A is equal to minus half, and here we can write cos 120 degree instead of minus half. Then we get A is equal to 120 degree, which is obtuse angle. Sum of the acute angles of the triangle is must be 180 degree minus 120 degree, because one angle is 120 degree, then the other angle must be an acute angle. Okay, then sum of the other angles is must be 60 degree. Okay, that is B plus C is 60 degree. Now in part C, sorry, our question was we have to prove that A minus B by C cosec A minus B by 2 is equal to sec C by 2 for the triangle. Okay, now given that by the sine rule A by sin A is equal to B by sin B, C is equal to C by sin C, 2r. Okay, A minus B by C is equal to 2r sin A minus B divided by 2r sin C. Sin A minus B can write instead, we can write 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 divided by, we can here we cancel both r here, and also 2. Okay, 2 i's r we can cancel on both sides. Okay, we can cross this. Okay, then sin C minus, we can apply the sin C minus sin D formula, which is 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 divided by sin C. We can write this formula, sin 2s theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, we can apply this formula here, sin C is equal to 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Then we can write cos A plus B pi minus C instead of A plus B. Okay, then we can write this into pi minus C by 2, pi by 2 minus C by 2, and also this sign it remains same. Okay, now we can we get sin C by 2 from this expression. Okay, from this cos. Okay, cos, because here we know this is not a even number here, so is that's why it convert to sine. Okay, this cos convert to sine. Then we can cancel from numerator denominator this two terms. Then we get sin A minus B by 2 divided by cos C by 2, and we get now A minus B by C times cosec A minus B by 2 is equal to sec C by 2. Okay, proved. Now here is our third problem. The question is P is equal to 2 sin twice alpha, Q sin twice beta, R cos twice alpha, and S cos twice beta, and T sin twice R. Then we can prove, we first part prove, we have to prove that sec 3x by 2 is equal to 2 root 2 divided by square root of 4 plus root over 8 plus 8 cos 6x. Okay, and if P plus Q is equal to C and R plus S equal to D, then we have to show that cos twice alpha plus twice beta is equal to D square minus C square divided by D square plus C square. And if alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to phi, then we have to show that P square plus Q square plus T square is equal to 2 minus 2 cos twice alpha twice beta times twice cos twice gamma. Okay, now left hand side sec 3x by 2, we can convert this 1 by cos 3x by 2. Now we can write 2 root 2 from in numerator and denominator. Then we apply here, we can write root over 4 times 2 cos square 3x by 2. Then in numerator 2 root 2, and in denominator we get root over 4 times 1 plus cos 3x. Okay, and this becomes root over 4 plus 4 cos 3x. Here in numerator we get 2 root 2, and in denominator 4 plus root over 4 times 4 cos square 3x. Okay, now Here we in the second part we have to come to the next page. In the left hand side, root 2 divided by root over 4 plus root over 4 times 2 times cos square 3x, and here we get 8 root over in this part 8 times 1 plus cos 6x. Similar formula, 2 cos square theta we know, 1 plus cos 2x theta, we apply this formula here. Then we get our required right hand side. Okay, and now second part. Okay, our question was um, p plus q is equal to c r plus s d, and then we have to show that this. Okay, now solution. We are given p plus q is equal to c, then we can write sine twice alpha plus sine twice beta is equal to c. Then we can write 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to c. R plus is equal to d, that means we can convert this into cos twice alpha plus cos twice beta equal to d. We can write cos 2 cos alpha plus beta times cos alpha minus beta is equal to d. Then we can divide equation 2 by equation 1, cos alpha plus beta divided by sin alpha plus beta is equal to d by c. Then we square on both sides, cos square alpha plus beta sin square alpha plus beta is equal to d square by c square, and then we have to apply dividendo componendo here, cos square alpha plus beta minus sin square alpha plus beta is equal divided by cos square alpha plus beta plus sin square alpha plus beta is equal to d square minus c square divided by d square plus c square. Then we get this formula, cos square theta minus sin square theta, we know that is equal to cos twice theta. Okay, and in denominator cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so we get on this cos twice theta from numerator. So cos twice alpha plus twice beta is equal to d square minus c square by d square plus c square. Okay, now in the third part, we know in the third part we have to show if alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to phi, then we have to show that p square plus q square plus t square is equal to 2 minus 2 cos twice alpha cos twice beta cos twice gamma. Okay, we are given alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to phi. Left hand side is p square plus q square plus t square, which is sin square twice alpha plus sin square twice beta plus sin square twice gamma. We can apply half and 2 here, then we get half times 2 sin square twice alpha plus 2 sin square twice beta plus sin square twice gamma here. And for 2 sin square theta we can apply 1 minus, 1 minus cos twice theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay, we apply this formula here, 1 minus cos twice theta is equal to 2 sin square theta, and here sin square twice gamma, here half bracket 2 minus cos 4 alpha plus cos 4 beta, then plus cos sin square twice gamma. Here cos c plus cos d, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. Then we get half times 2 minus half times 2 cos alpha. Here we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator, then we get twice alpha plus twice beta and cos twice alpha minus twice beta, and we write 1 minus cos square theta instead of sin square theta here. Then we get 2s pi minus twice gamma instead of this. Then we get cos, if we take common twice gamma, then we get cos twice alpha minus twice beta plus cos twice gamma. Okay, then we in the left hand side we get 2 minus cos twice gamma, the cos twice alpha minus twice beta plus cos 2 pi minus 2 alpha plus 2 alpha plus twice beta, then we get cos twice gamma times cos twice alpha minus twice beta plus cos twice alpha plus twice beta, then we get 2 minus 2 cos twice alpha twice beta twice gamma, and this is our right hand side. I hope this problem will help you to understand the trigonometry easily. Please, if you have any question, ask me in the comment box, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This will motivate me to create more videos content for you. All the best. Assalamu alaikum.